안녕하세요. 콩이에요. Hi everyone, I'm Kong. Last time we learned 좋아하는 것, 싫어하는 것, like and dislike. So, today we're gonna learn why we dislike and why we like it. You can use these adjectives to talk about why you like something. Key language. 너 좋아해? Do you like? 너 좋아해? First, oh, delicious. 맛있다. 맛있다. Informal. How to say, do you like kimchi? Yes. 너는 김치를 좋아해? Wow, perfect grammar. But when we talk every day, we don't talk right there. It's a little quiet. Naturally say. 너 김치 좋아해? 너 김치 좋아해? You can answer. Yes, I do. 응, 좋아해. 맛있어. It's delicious. This is why you like it. 맛있어. It's delicious. For more, do you like kimchi? 김치 좋아해요? 김치 좋아해요? Yes, I do. It's delicious. 네, 좋아해요. 맛있어요. 맛있어요. Good. Second, boring. 지루하다. 지루하다. Informal. How to say do you like mathematics class? Mathematics. 수학. class. 수업. Good. 너 수학 수업 좋아해? 너 수학 수업 좋아해? No, I don't. 아니, 안 좋아해. It's boring. 지루해. 아니, 안 좋아해. 지루해. It's boring. For more, 수학 수업 좋아해요? 수학 수업 좋아해요? 아니요, 안 좋아해요. 지루해요. 아니요, 안 좋아해요. 지루해요. Good. Next, interesting. 흥미롭다. 흥미롭다. Key language. 왜 좋아해? Why do you like? 왜 좋아해? Use 왜 to ask the reason. You can use 왜 to find out the reasons why someone like or dislike something. Informal. How to say, why do you like K-pop? Good. 왜 K-pop을 좋아해? 왜 K-pop을 좋아해? You can answer. 왜냐하면 because. You can use 왜냐하면 to link the two parts of your answer. 왜냐하면 it's interesting. 흥미로워. It's interesting. 흥미로워. For more, why do you like K-pop? 왜 K-pop을 좋아해요? 왜 K-pop을 좋아해요? Because it's interesting. 왜냐하면 흥미로워요. 왜냐하면 흥미로워요. Good. Last, disgusting. 역겹다. 역겹다. Hey, why don't you like gym? 왜 짐 안 좋아해? 왜 짐 안 좋아해? Because 왜냐하면 역겨워. He's disgusting. 역겨워. Oops. If I hear it, I'll be very hurt. You see carefully. For more, 왜 짐 안 좋아해요? 왜 짐 안 좋아해요? 왜냐하면 역겨워요. disgusting. 역겨워요. Good. Today we learned why you dislike it and why you like it. Let's practice. Do you like chocolate? 너 초콜릿 좋아해? Yes, I do. 응, 좋아해. Good. 맛있어. Well, 맛있어요. It's delicious. Why do you like Korean class? 왜 한국어 수업을 좋아해? Because 왜냐하면 Good. 흥미로워. Well, 흥미로워요. It's interesting. Why don't you like studying? 왜 공부를 안 좋아해? Because 왜냐하면 Good. 지루해. Or 지루해요. It's boring. Good. Thank you for reading. That's it for this day. And if this video helped you to learn something new, please give this video a like and hit the subscribe button. Bye. Stage clear.